Hello everyone. Welcome to CrossPixel. In this session, we learn how to add bokeh effect in your photo. So without any waiting, let's get started. So this is our image. At first, click on a new layer icon. And make sure foreground color is black. If it's not, then press D to reset that. It's make foreground color black, and background color white. And you can press X to toggle between the foreground color and background color. And you can click this icon to toggle between the foreground color and background color. So choose background color black, and press Alt plus Backspace. It fill the layer with solid black color. Now go to Filter, choose Noise, and then add noise. Make sure the Gaussian and monochromatic is checked. And you can adjust amount, according to your image. This a low resolution image, so 10 is good for me. Now select the layer. And go to Image tab, click on Adjustment Group, and choose Levels. This slider make dark pixel darker. And this slider make bright pixel brighter. Choose a value, where some dots gonna showing up. And hit OK. Now select Rectangular Marquee tool. And make a little square. And press Ctrl plus J to copy the selected area. Delete the previous layer, we don't need that. Now select the layer, and press Ctrl plus T. Now we can transform it. Click on corner, and drag. Now change the blend mode normal to screen. Screen blend mode hide the black area from the layer. Before we do anything, at first convert it into a smart object, so we can use it non-destructively. To do that, right-click on left-hand side of the layer, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now go to Filter tab, choose Blur Gallery, and choose Field Blur. Blur slider can increase or decrease bokeh size. Light bokeh slider can control how much intense your bokeh is. You can set values according to your image. In my case 70% is fine. Once you're done, hit OK. Bokeh was successfully created. But bokeh has no color, right? Let's add color to it. Now select the background layer, and press Ctrl plus J to copy it. Now move the layer on top. Select the layer, and go to Image, Adjustment, and Vibrance. And drag the slider. It adds some saturation to our image. We need only the color, so what we do? Blurring, right? So, go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Radius slider control the amount of blur. In my case, 5 is fine. You can choose a value according to your image. We need to clip the image. So, hold the Alt key and move the cursor between this two layer. Clipping icon will show up and click. It will clip the layer. We need only the color, so what we do? So, change the blend mode normal to color. If we need some additional color like red, green, blue, so what we do? Curves, right? So, click on adjustment layer icon and choose curves. You can add any color using this channels. In that case I need yellow color. But there is no yellow channels, but don't worry. Blue is the opposite of yellow. Always remember RGB is opposite of CMYK. That's mean, red is the opposite of cyan, green is the opposite of magenta, and blue is the opposite of yellow. In that case I need yellow color. So, I go to blue channel and decrease blue. Decreasing blue means increasing yellow. But it affects the whole image, so we need to clip it. Click on clipping mask icon to clip it. Or, you can hold the Alt and then move the cursor between this two layer. The cursor changes to clipping mask icon, and just click to clip it. If you erase bokeh from some areas, so what we do? Masking, right? To do that, select the bokeh layer and click on Mask button. Select the brush tool and choose a soft round brush. Make sure the foreground color is black. If it's not, press D to reset foreground color and background color to black and white. And press X to toggle between foreground color and background color. And select the mask and paint on those area where you don't need bokeh effect. So, what is the properties of mask? White area shows and black area hides. You can increase lightness of the bokeh effect using curves. Double-click on Curves Adjustment layer icon, and drag up to brighten, and drag down to darken. You can play with a slider and channels. So, this is the before, and this is after.